Nvidia graphics cards and compact PC builds don't really mix, especially not this generation. With the average current gen Team Green graphics card being the size of an obese baby, it's clear that you probably have to look elsewhere if you want something small and compact for an ITX build. However, Nvidia actually surprisingly addressed that in a pretty big way with the brand new SFF standard, or small form factor. A big new standard to address the lack of small Nvidia GPUs, and it is very strict about how small these cards can be, with a maximum possible length of 304mm, a maximum height of 151mm, and a 50mm thickness, or about 2.5 slots. Now, obviously, pretty much no existing high-end Nvidia graphics cards qualify for that, so that is why Nvidia and other partners began making these much smaller cards that fit within this classification, with a solid list already. However, you might have noticed something. Right now, it's only RTX 4070s, 4070 Supers, and 4070 Ti's. Because if you thought that this brand new standard suddenly magically opens the gateway to small form factor builds with RTX 4080s or 4090s, then I don't know what to tell you. Nvidia would literally have to defy the laws of physics for that to happen. So no, it isn't a standard that can magically make a tiny box of a PC the most powerful gaming system ever. However, it is still a major leap forward for those people out there who love building those kind of small form factor builds. However, it isn't just on the GPU vendors to assure compatibility. Case manufacturers will now also brand the more compact cases as SFF ready if they are just big enough to support these cards. So definitely be on the lookout for that branding when you're out hunting for a case for your upcoming SFF build. But what do you think of all of this? Are you actually going to make use of this standard? And what else do you think this standard will bring in the future? Well, let me know all of that down in the comments below. I'm actually generally curious. And also helps with the algorithm a lot, so there's that. And what also helps this channel a lot is our Patreon, which, unlike many Nvidia graphics cards, is always a fantastic deal. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Just a Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Balaj Velka, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcraft, Lensby, Level Up, and Robert Sanders. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.